This video will show you how to install the Splice-in LED Sequential Chase taillight kit for all 05 through 09 Mustangs. Step 1. With trunk open, remove the lower push-in retainers holding rear cover in place, one on each side. Step 2. Remove the upper retainer nuts also holding rear cover in place, one on each side. Step 3. Remove rear cover. Step 4. Remove the 3 nuts attaching taillight to body of vehicle with a ratchet and 10mm socket. Step 5. Unplug taillight at wiring harness connector. Step 6. Remove taillight from vehicle. Step 7. Remove innermost bulb and replace with the LED bulb from the kit that contains the red wire attached to it. After installing bulb, feed red wire under the rubber gasket attached to the socket. Insert socket back into housing and move on to remaining sockets. Now you're going to simply replace the remaining 2 bulbs with the LED bulbs from the kit. Going back to the first socket, install one of the included 3 quick splice connectors to the black wire. Moving on to the middle socket, connect a quick splice connector to the red wire with the white tracer. Finally, on the last socket, connect a quick splice connector to the red wire. Take the included module and plug the red wire into the red wire that is attached to the first LED bulb you installed. Then, connect the black wire from the module to the black wire you installed the first quick splice connector to. Then, connect the remaining white module wires to the remaining quick splice connectors. Then, simply tuck all the wires into the assembly. Step 8. Install taillight assembly back onto vehicle and test lights for proper sequencing.